Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see the solution for the LeetCode problem contains duplicate. So basically in this problem we're given an array of integers and we have to find whether the array contains any duplicates or not. And if it does, we have to return true, and if all the elements are unique, we have to return false. So we'll be doing this using a data structure called set. As you know, in a set there can only be unique values as a set cannot hold any duplicate values. So a set called as is equal to new hash set of integer. So with this we've created a set called S. Now all the values from the given array will add them to the set nums.length I plus plus. So all the numbers will be adding into our set. So S dot add nums of I. Now so now we've added all the values from the given array and from into our set. So suppose that the array contains duplicate elements. So as the set will only have unique values, the size of set will be lesser than that of the array. But if the array has unique elements, then the size of the array will be equal to the size of the set. So if s dot size, so if s dot size equal to nums dot length, meaning that the size is equal, so we have to return false. So if the size of the set is equal to the size of the given array, means that all the elements originally in the array were unique. But if the size is not equal, then so if the size is not equal, meaning that there were duplicate elements in the array which we did not add to set, and thus the size of the set was lesser than that of the array. So let's try to run this. Seems okay. Okay, so we got accepted, and the only thing we used was a simple data structure called set from the Java libraries. Thank you.